Now you can create stunning 3D building growth documentary videos using AI, completely free, and that too with just your mobile phone. With this method, you can create long AI documentary videos and grow your YouTube channel faster than ever. So let's begin by using ChatGPT to generate our documentary script. First, we'll ask ChatGPT to create a short, engaging story, a 60-second documentary on the topic, History of Taj Mahal. And just like that, our 60-second AI documentary script is ready. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to convert that script into scene-wise segments. For each scene, we'll generate realistic 3D text-to-video prompts. And remember, use miniature landscape growth animation only when the scene requires a location build-up. Otherwise, stick to normal 3D cinematic visuals. As you can see, all our scene-wise prompts are now ready. Let's start creating the first scene. We've already copied the prompt for scene 1. Now open Grok, switch the mode from image to video. Choose your desired aspect ratio, paste the prompt, and hit send. Grok will generate your 3D growing animation clip for scene 1. And boom, scene 1 is ready. Let's preview it. And download the clip. Now repeat the same for scene 2. Copy the prompt, paste it inside Grok, generate the clip, and boom, scene 2 is ready. Repeat this process for all scenes. Once all scenes are ready, it's time for voiceover. For that, we'll use OpenAI.fm. Just paste the full video script. Select Ash as the voice. Choose the true crime buff vibe, perfect for documentary tone, and hit play to generate and preview your voiceover.
Stands a monument that time itself.
Then download it from here. Before editing everything together, you can make this AI voiceover sound much more human, using a few simple filters inside Audacity. I've made a full detailed tutorial on this. You can watch it on my channel. Now, once your voiceover and clips are ready, import everything into your favorite video editor. Drag all your clips onto the timeline, one by one. Since the clips are not in perfect 16:9, select all of them and scale them to 125%. Next, adjust the speed of each clip, speed up or slow down, to perfectly sync with your narration. And just like that, your AI 3D documentary video is complete. Let's preview the final output.
In the heart of Agra stands a monument that time itself bows before. Its story begins in 1631, when Mumtaz Mahal, the beloved wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, died during childbirth. Heartbroken, Shah Jahan vowed to build a memorial unlike anything the world had ever seen. In 1632, construction began. More than 20,000 artisans.
You can watch the full video using the link in the description. And if you watched till here, please hit the like button and support me by subscribing to the channel. Also, don't miss my next video if you want to create free realistic AI music videos. It's a must watch.